Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your name in Notion. To get started, open Notion on your computer and look over to the left-hand sidebar. Near the top of that sidebar, you'll see the option called Settings and Members. Go ahead and click that to open the main settings panel for your account and workspace options. This is where Notion keeps several personal and account-related settings, so if you've never opened it before, don't worry. You are in the right place. Once the settings panel is open, look at the menu on the left side of that panel here. You want to click on your current profile name. In some versions of Notion, this may also appear as My Account. So if you don't immediately see your name, just select that option instead. This section contains the personal details tied to your Notion account, including the name that appears across your profile. After that, find the field labeled Preferred Name. This is the setting that controls the name you want Notion to display for your account. Click into that field and type in your new name carefully. If you are updating it for professionalism, consistency, or simply because you want your profile to reflect a different name, this is the exact place to make that change. When you've finished typing your new preferred name, click anywhere outside the box. Notion saves this change automatically, so here is usually no separate save button to press. That means once you click away, your updated name should be applied right away. If you don't see the change instantly, give the app a moment to refresh or briefly close and reopen the settings panel. In most cases though, the update happens immediately. It's also a good idea to double-check the spelling before clicking away, especially if this is the name coworkers, collaborators, or clients will see inside shared pages and workspaces. And that's all it takes to change your name in Notion. It's a quick setting, but it can be helpful for keeping your account details accurate and up to date. Thanks for watching.